Riri gutanyitwo gugakorwo na ihinda irito mbunge-ini ya bururi keri ga kiumia giki hindi ya guikio gwa kura niguo kuhitukia kana kuguithia watho wa maiganania. Mawoni ngurani ni mathiete na mbere kumira kurumira ndereti hiyo iria irari mbunge-ini kiumia kihituku iguru ria watho uyu
in place, but it's not anchored in law.
Mubunge wa Kimilili Didmas Baraza ni arumitie murugamo wake wa gukaregana na mutaratara ucio, akendekithia mutaratara ucio rorwo weru niguo kurigiriria ciama cia kiuteti guthukagia atumia matari na uigiririki thiini wa bunge niguo kuhonia mabata mao kiumbe.
Ule mswada wa jinsia sitaunga mkono kwa sababu haulengi kumteua mama wa kawaida, inalenga kuwateua wale mama wa kuvaa miniskirt, wale wa kutembea Nairobi peke yao. Kwa hivyo ule mswada mimi na upinga, na lazima siku ya Jumanne uanguke na uanguke kabisa.
Baraza ulioraragia ari na maruru maingi augite murugamo uyu ndugucenjia amuno njira ingi ya kuongera murigo wa igoti kuri Wanjiku uria omuritohirite ihinda-ini riri kumana na kuhitukio kwa watho wa gicunji kia 8 hari thogora wa maguta. Ihinda-ini riu mubunge David Sankok ni ugite hari bata kurora uigiririki wa aria marithukagio kuingira bunge-ini kamugira mutaratara ucio urutithio wira.
Those who will be nominated based on the size of their heart, the size of their passion, and the size of their mental intellect, but not based on the size of their hind quarter. What I'm complaining about is women with loose morals, women without integrity.
Sankok ni ongereire ati ndekugondera hari gutigira bunge atumia aria mari bunge-ini mari na mitugo ya kuringirwo muhiano, akiuga uguo niguo gicunji gia 6 kia gatiba kiendekithitie.
All those who are abusing me left and right, and all those who are referring me as slay king, as having mental disability, are those who know themselves, and they are confirming my worst fears. They are telling Kenyans who they are.
Mutaratara uyu ugaikirio kura kiumia giki muthenya wa keri. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.